Hey, what's good, everybody? So great, I'm getting back to some more diecast stuff. And today, I went to Walmart and I actually found a chase piece for the first time in a very, very long time. I haven't really been collecting as much as I used to, so to find a chase piece in the wild is a pretty rare sight for me. So today we have the M2 Machines Golden Chase 1970 Chevy Camaro Z28 RS little model kit here, and you can tell it's a chase because it's limited to 750 pieces, and then if that sticker is gone or you can't see it or anything, then you can tell it's a chase because it has the gold on it. M2 does a lot of different chases, and the gold chrome is one of the ones you gotta look for. So I've never actually really paid attention to these model kits. I think the only thing you really put on it is the wheels, I guess. It's not really too much of a kit. You just have the two choices of engine there. I think that is what that is. Looks like an older engine than like a more modern LS engine right there. So I guess you can choose which one you want to put in there. And then just the wheel choice, which, trying to look at differences here, not really seeing too many differences. They're the same wheel, just one has the backs filled in, and then the other has the holes in the rim. So I don't really know what the big difference is there. And then the tires, one has lettering, it says Goodyear, and the other one does not. And it's got like a little paper Chevrolet badge, I guess. I think that's what that is. And then a handy screwdriver. So I guess if nothing else, you got a free screwdriver out of it. I do like the little enclosure it's in, like this little car lift. That's pretty cool. That is, yeah, I do like that a lot. It's a good little display, and you can even put another car on top, it looks like right there. It's got those little screw slats, so you can put another M2 car on top, or just another car in general. That's actually a pretty good idea. I should put my like little Mercedes RLC car if it fits. Probably not, though. Probably doesn't fit. But anyway, here's the front of the car. You can see it's got the gold chrome grille and the little fender bumper inserts, and that's pretty nice. And then on the back, gold chrome bumper, and then the taillights and everything. And then also the other gold chrome details are the window liner things, like the little window edges. But I do wish, you can see on the base is still like a weird, like kind of like off, like kind of like dull gold, I guess. It's not like bright gold like this stuff, like gold chrome, like the wheels. And the interior is also that same color. I wish that M2 would have, for the chase, you know, just made everything this gold chrome, like the base and then the interior as well. I think that would look a lot better in my opinion. But I don't know about that. The reason why I don't really collect M2 machines is just the price versus Hot Wheels. So this thing in Walmart was, I think it was like $8.50, $9 for this, when I could just go and almost get 2 premium Hot Wheels for this. And in my opinion, I think premium Hot Wheels, they're a bigger company, they got more resources and everything, so their models are going to turn out looking a little bit better than something like M2. But overall, a good car. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not. I might just put it on eBay, but overall, pretty good car. I'm not going to pass up a chase when I see one. Alright, see you guys later.